couple of things is I'm going to cook, guys. I'm gonna cook today. So this is my fit for a rainy day. This is how I'm going to the supermarket. Bananas are so pretty. So many of them. Love. I got butter. That's why you gotta come to the supermarket with a list, because if you don't come to the supermarket with a list, like, you going crazy looking for and thinking like, oh my God, I forgot. You get to the register and you be like, oh, hold on. That's me.
It has everything to do with
I'm not the type of girl to remember and leave the bags in the car. So I'm gonna keep on spending money on bags. And these bags is almost, the only thing I don't like coming to the supermarket, you need bags. And every time I come to the supermarket, I always spend money on bags because $1. $1. Seasoned so good and so flavor. Looks good. Definitely gonna have a red wine. And here we go. Guys, so this is how the wing's looking. I was gonna add some carrots and potatoes, but I decided just to leave it like this, and I could just add some vegetables on the side with my white rice. So I'm about to put it in the oven for 3 hours, or I'm just gonna watch it to see, because it's supposed to be tendered. So it's looking good though.
So if you listen to me, I don't know.
We like dirty because we've been like baking. But
no, you've been baking. I've been assisting.
This roast beef, woo! It's been in there for like 3 hours, and it's taken a long time.
But I do like the taste of it.
It tastes delicious.
The seasoning is top notch. It just takes too long to cook.
Yeah, it takes too long. I think when you cook this, what is it? When you cook this meat, you gotta cook it like from early.
You're roasting it, right? You're basically roasting it.
Like 12 o'clock.
Right.
It takes so long to cook.
So start at 12 to make it to dinner.
Yeah.
Right, because it takes so many hours. You're right.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Because it's like, hello, I'm hungry. Like the rice is done,
Everything is done.
Everything is like delicious. Just cut off. There's no light. I think because it's raining really bad and there's a lot of floods. So I don't know what we're gonna do now. I guess we're just gonna have to eat like this.
We have to eat like this.
And my cake is in the oven, guys.
Fuck, not the.
So this is how it came out, and it could have been there a little longer, but
That looks so good.
we just hungry right
So
now.
good.
And we don't have no lights. So there goes our plate. We light right now. This is the first time it went so long like this.
This is kind of long.
What happened?
No, don't let her bark, baby.
Oh, the lights are on?
No, let her bark. Let her bark.
What you mean?
Yes, hi. Hello.
What happened?
Why was the door open like this? Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Stop playing with me.
Sarai, how old is your alarm? Sarai, stop playing with us, because I know it's you. Porque ella fue que lo abrió. Right, because she was right here. And I don't know why you're opening the door. You're scaring us like Why are you doing that? That's not nice.
That was a good one. I went from there to
Wait,
the
how'd you open the door?
So I was here by the bar.
Oh, I knew it.
She was the one that was scaring us right
So
there.
it was you this whole time?
And then I went over here and I moved the chairs.
I like to scare
And then-
people, but I don't like
Yo,
people
do
to
you know
scare
how
me.
easy it is
And
to
then-
do that?
What?
And then
Scare somebody?
Lights are here! Now we can finish baking this cake.
You're hilarious.
well, I
Did you hear what she said? She's like, I've never been happier to see the light.
I miss those plastic bags, and I miss using those plastic bags for every little thing. Now I can't really use those plastic bags, but we got to think about the world, you know, and think about the animals, because those plastic bags was killing the animals. So yeah, but I do miss the plastic bags. So that food was so tender. It was so delicious. We could have left it in a little longer and it would have been even better, but it was perfect. It was so good and juicy. We had white rice and we had green beans. It was really good. I'm proud of myself. I was like basically my first time looking at it.